Lezter.
Perfect.
Dude, with the exhaust is gonna be retarded.
He's not gonna be able to get out.
Oh man. Good morning. Ah, man, Micah. Come on, bro. You scraped up this beautiful driveway. What's up, guys? Basic Fam. Today we're gonna do Micah's exhaust. We're gonna weld it up together, get it prepped. Stay tuned for that because it's gonna look sick. But before we get to that, we just want to say a big mahalo to all of you 102 that subscribe.
Yep, way more than we thought.
Dude, I thought we were gonna stay at like 30 for so long, but you know, I'm not a drinker, but I'll drink to that. So
There you go.
there's one for you guys too. Cheers, partners. Oh! Oh, we had it in the freezer for how long, Justin? Like 30 minutes, and
A little over, yeah.
it's like still warm. But got some pizza. It's gonna cook good, that looks. So, in celebration of the 100 subscribers,
So we're gonna do a giveaway. We're gonna do a giveaway of a Team Basic t-shirt and maybe a couple stickers. But if you wanna enter it, leave a comment below saying you want it, and we'll do a random
Hashtag Team Basic.
hashtag Team Basic.
share the videos, and you might be picked, bruh.
Legit.
We've been planning on team shirts and jackets for a while, but this is gonna be our first ever try, thanks to Logan and his cousin. But one of you lucky winners are gonna be one of the first ones to get the first shirts with us. So comment below if you want it. And we're gonna have other sicker stuff coming out soon, thanks to the Doctor. He's got some stuff planned out. Stay tuned for that.
Sponsored by
Oscar.
Oscar Auto Body, Schoolfield.
Yeah. All right, boss man. Step to step, what we gotta do?
So first, test fit everything. Make sure you want it at the right angle. Prep for weld. Clean it off a little bit. And tack everything. Don't weld it yet. Just tack it so you can adjust later. Yeah?
Kind of like when you're spray painting, or you know what's it called, plastic dipping. You go light layer, so we're gonna light layer tack them.
Yeah.
Is that right, Doctor?
I think so.
So Micah just notched his bumper a little bit to make the fitment of the exhaust flush, you know what I mean? Oh. Is that a K&N intake?
Yep.
I only run DC Sports.
Who do you call when you need welding?
You call Iron Man.
You know, at least together.
Yeah, and then you can find the right
And
angle.
then I can find the right angle with that,
And then tap them on.
with this, and I can tack the rest
after you do this. Or like you put this on last.
Or I can put down on last.
Could do that. Get all this
Just so
done.
it's easier. You
Get
know,
everything done, yeah, and then tap them on. This guy can be forced in. Force him in just a little and be perfect.
Yeah, I think we're gonna do that.
Yeah.
Let's get to welding. Michael's about to ruin his Iron Man mask.
How is this ruining it? Kind of messed up because it's curved. But I don't care. It's only gonna get burnt.
Where you got that from?
Lost royalty.
So this is the test weld. It looks good, man.
Well, I want to see your ass now. Come on.
Slowly but surely all coming together. So we're probably not going to be able to put this on the car yet, or not today, but at least Mike is going to be able to get it all prepped. It's all put together. Let's see how it looks.
Jank.
Yeah, baby.
Good.
Slight equal down, but it's perfect.
That's about it, yeah? Ready.
Now he just needs to get some hangers.
I got hangers.
Oh, he has hangers.
Just at the house.
Just gotta weld it up and slap that bad boy on. Is that a catback?
Don't show him. So much bird shit everywhere.
It's alright, man. It's been a while.
It's the first time I'm using this water. I can't adjust the power.
Yeah, doctor. You're making it look good, doctor. Filling up the holes.
Nice.
And we have the reigning, defending team founder coming in at a whopping 9,000 pounds. Hey, sorry. And the team member, the newly added team member, Kahalu Kran. Don't follow his Instagram. There's nothing on there. Karma, the heavyweight champ in our team. And the doctor. Always busy, this doctor. Good morning, Basic Fam. Top of the day to you. Today we're gonna do another car show prep for this guy's car. Today we're installing his exhaust. We're also gonna paint it. We gotta clean it up first, sand it down, maybe weld a little bit more, grind it down, and then we in there. So this guy's car is too low. We don't have wood blocks, but we can use brick blocks. Hopefully it doesn't break them. And that's how you do it basic style.
Because of that crack right there, I feel like if I gas it hard, then it's gonna crack this weld.
Anda. Anda. Got the oil change done, just running the engine, get all the oil through the guts, you know what I mean? Pick it up. Pick that up. Put it on top. Just have to hammer them out, that's it. So he's got the hangers on. Then after that, paint time, and it's good to go. Got them painted. Show them, boss. Letting it air dry right now. Heat resistant.
Up to 550.
Bolting it up.
Sexy.
Oh,
If it was just higher, it'd be look a little more sexy, but
Like that.
yeah.
that'll be later.
That's good for now, though.
Look good.
That's right now. I just gotta put the rubber on.
You'd be good.
Alright, let's hear the startup. Oh my god. Coming off the bricks.
God damn.
That much? You sound louder.
There you go, guys. It's about to slip a low. Slip off the ground. Freshly painted and it's gonna be ruined.
Is that low?
Alright. That was it for today. Quick install of the exhaust, and he did all the work, man.
Welded it up. There's a small water leak coming out, but probably can fix that before the show. And then I pulled the trigger not once but twice.
Got a couple more parts coming in, so we'll be pretty active. A lot more content coming up for this guy's car.
Yep. Everything is coming in about next week, the 13th. So everything's gonna be put in probably the same day.
Going through who?
Got one of the parts from Tokyo Auto. Huge shout out to them. Anything you need, Japan parts, imported parts,
Wrapping.
wraps, go to them.
Small things like the freaking oh shit bars.
Yep, go to them. They'll hook you up. Yeah, a lot more stuff coming out. It's crunch time for me, at least. Getting everything ready for the show. So, I mean, 2 more weeks.
Yep. Other than his car, we got another member who just added other aesthetics to make his truck look better, and he also got rims that he's gonna put on soon.
Yep.
So.
And he wants to put exhaust as well.
Yep. And then the Subi that you guys seen from the last time, if you didn't, it's up here somewhere. But he's got a lot of parts put in since the last time you seen it. So.
And he makes a lot more horsepower. A lot.
You'll see that one sometime soon too. So don't forget, if you want to win that giveaway of the shirt, the team shirt that we never get to see yet, by the time we finish editing this video, the shirts will be out of the press. It's gonna be ready to go. So once we get it, you guys could be one of the first ones to get our first shirts too. So
comment below if you wanna enter. We'll do a drawing. And
if not, then it'll just be you, X-Runner Official. You've been our solid.
our one and only, man.
You the man. Thank you.
You the bomb.
But for the rest of your 100, thank you again. We'll keep doing this. We'll try our best, keeping it the basic way.
Shoot.
Nicholas Allen.